Here's a beginner-friendly guide to affiliate marketing in 7 steps. Understand affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Choose your niche. Select a niche that interests you and aligns with your expertise. It's crucial to choose a niche you're passionate about, as it will make it easier to create engaging content. Stay to the end and I have a free course for you. I like making money niche. Also, check out health and fitness and personal relations. Research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs within your chosen niche. There are many affiliate networks and individual companies that offer affiliate programs. Consider factors like commission rates, product quality, and payment terms when choosing programs. Build a platform. Create a platform where you'll promote affiliate products. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or a combination of these. Focus on providing valuable content to your audience related to your niche. Create quality content. Produce high-quality content that adds value to your audience. This could include product reviews, tutorials, comparison articles, or informative videos. The key is to create content that solves problems or fulfills needs within your niche. Promote affiliate products. Integrate affiliate links naturally into your content. Avoid being overly promotional and focus on providing genuine recommendations. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships to build trust with your audience. You need to understand affiliate marketing is not an overnight success. You need to stick with it for at least 12 months. Track and optimize. Monitor your affiliate marketing efforts and track key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings. Use this data to optimize your strategies, experiment with different approaches, and refine your content to improve your results over time. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Stay patient, stay consistent, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. As you gain experience and grow your audience, your affiliate marketing income has the potential to increase significantly. Check out www.success39.com for a Jonathan Montaya free course. Hit the subscribe button for more strategies on affiliate marketing.